Philippine President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. declared on Sunday that his country would not yield to any foreign power after Chinese forces injured Filipino Navy personnel and damaged military boats in the South China Sea. However, he emphasized that the Philippines would never instigate a war. Marcos visited Palawan to meet and award medals to Navy personnel attacked by the Chinese Coast Guard while delivering supplies to an outpost on the disputed Second Thomas Shoal. Videos showed Chinese Coast Guard personnel assaulting a Philippine Navy boat with wooden bars and seizing items. The Chinese government claimed action was necessary after Filipino forces entered what China considers as its territory, the Associated Press has reported. The violent clash drew international condemnation and concerns from the US, EU, Japan, Australia, and others. Both China and the Philippines blamed each other for the incident.